want to talk about 401ks and index universal life policies and actually how they can work in tandem. If you are an employee and you're offered a 401k, by all means take it. But I want you to look at a few things. The first being, look at how much your employer is contributing. Get all that information ahead. I also want you to look at the fees to manage those accounts. And you're not going to find it in your account details. You're going to have to dive into the prospectus. And if you have any sort of life insurance needs, it's important that an index universal life insurance policy can also benefit you. You can have some money in your 401k and you can have some money in an index universal life insurance policy, where if you need to access money before 59 and a half, if you want to do that with a 401k, you're going to pay a penalty. You don't have that penalty with an IUL. Let's say you're 73. Well, what happens at age 73 with your 401k? You are required to take minimum distributions. That requirement is not part of an IUL. So again, I want to encourage everybody to think about the best policies that suit them and where their money can have the most value. And you can, again, have a strategy. It can be a two-pronged effect where you're maximizing what your employer is offering, and then you're also taking care of your life insurance needs. And the other thing too is you can also structure a policy where you have either a long-term care rider, or you can have an IUL that has accelerated death benefits built into that policy. You will not be able to do that with a 401k. The moment you start taking withdrawals, it's a taxable event. You can take tax-free withdrawals from an index universal life insurance policy. So it's really important. Think of it as tools. Think of them as protecting your interest. I'm happy to discuss further. I want you to have all the tools that you need for retirement, and I look forward to discussing further.